You have a successful career of over 20 years working in Malaysia and across the region as well. For Malaysia, can you share with us some of the specifics of working in the country and how you have learned to factor those into your management style, into your day to day?
Well, I think the real success that I've had lies in having the opportunity to contribute to the healthcare market. I have the privilege of serving both local and international. It has been incredibly rewarding, especially when we face with the challenges of introducing new therapies or products that perhaps have the potential to change the way healthcare professionals and providers deliver treatment and care to the patients. I think over the last 2 decades, Malaysia's healthcare landscape has undergone a significant transformation. While we may not be the most populous country in the region, with just a little over 34 million people, both our public and private healthcare systems are well, or rather have been well established when compared to the other countries in the ASEAN region. The expectation for growth as a vendor in Malaysia can sometimes present its challenges, I think particularly when negotiating terms or offers with manufacturers based on the size of our addressable market. But having said that, as a developing country, Malaysia has navigated the shares of political changes over the past few years and the currency fluctuation as well. But nevertheless, I think this is a considerable room for growth, and the Malaysian population is well supported by the robust healthcare system, complemented by the insurance coverage. Both the public and private sectors are actively working to expand and improve access to the healthcare facilities. I think this is an ongoing commitment to the healthcare infrastructure that positions Malaysia for continued growth and innovation in the sector.
You mentioned your currency and you mentioned fluctuations, and that has been in the last close to 2 decades that I have been in Asia, a big factor in it for, in particular, the Malaysian market. How do you, as a business manager, hedge and manage that risk of currency fluctuations?
When it comes to that risk, we try to be a little bit more conservative when we plan our spending, especially when it comes to inventory purchases. We try to track the UCI of what we think is going to happen, because I think the volatility is pretty unpredictable. There was a huge change in our currency. Unfortunately, at that time, our partner, the distributor, did not factor it well. So they have to take a hit in terms of margin. When it comes to our end, we usually take the higher side of what we see will be the risk and use that to plan our spending, plan our inventory purchases, as well as our price to the market. So that provides us with the room to navigate away from having to implement price increase, which is a very sensitive topic in Malaysia.